these are the mooncakes from Imperial Patisserie. This one is a mooncake with 2 yolks, white lotus seed paste. This small one is low sugar egg custard mooncake. This one is low sugar sesame mooncake, and this one is low sugar green tea mooncake. So these are the mooncakes that we will be trying out. Hi friends, today we're going to do a food review for these mooncakes from Imperial Patisserie. So this one is a low sugar egg custard mooncake. So we'll try this first. It's a small one. It's for maybe one person only. So we'll open it. I need the scissors. This is how it looks. We'll cut it into half and try it. So this is how it looks inside. The covering is similar to hopia, but the filling is different. This is custard. The filling tastes similar to egg yolk. It's a little bit sweet. The dominant taste of that one is salted egg. Next one we'll try is the low sugar green tea. We'll open it. Inside there is I think it's a silica gel, I'm not sure, to keep the item fresh inside the packet. So this is how it looks. It's designed with a leaf. We'll cut it into 2 and then I'll show you what's inside. This is how it looks inside. It's dark green. We'll try it. The cover is a little bit hard inside. The filling inside, I'm really confused about the taste. But it tastes similar to the mango seeds and the hopias. Yeah, it tastes similar to the mango seeds. And I cannot taste the green tea taste in this one. Although it's low sugar, I still feel that it's sweet. Next, we'll try this low sugar sesame mooncake. So it looks like a wheel. We'll cut it. This is how it looks. I will cut it into 2 and then I will show you how it looks inside. This is how it looks inside. So this is a sesame seed. We'll try it. I can immediately smell the smell of sesame seed. And I can taste the taste of sesame seed. At least this one is authentic to its flavor. It has a similar covering, which is similar to the hopias, but this is a little bit harder. And although it's already low sugar, it's still a little bit sweet for me. So next we will try this mooncake with 2 yolks with lotus seed paste. So we'll open it. This is the biggest one. The others were for personal use or for personal consumption, but this one could be shared with somebody else. Maybe 2 to 3 to 4 people can share this. So this is how it looks inside. And there is this like a silica gel for the food. I have sliced it, and as you can see, there's an egg yolk inside. So we'll try it. The lotus and the cover is a little bit sweet, but the taste of the egg is standing out. So I'll take another bite with the whole egg now. The egg is not just egg yolk but salted egg. So it's adding a different texture and also a different taste. It's a little bit salty. For those who are not used to eating egg yolk or salted egg, it will taste weird. But for us, who usually eat salted egg, we know how it tastes and the texture. So this Lotus is a little bit gummy and sweet, and the cover is also sweet. So that saltiness from the salted egg is adding a different taste. Usually for other mooncakes, I will see that there are some nuts and some pine nuts or melon nuts, but this one doesn't have it. It's just plain lotus filling. So this alone without the salted egg tastes very similar to the local hopias that we have in the Philippines. The lotus filling tastes very similar to the mongo filling in the hopias that we usually have in the Philippines. This is also sweet, but it's not very sweet. It's just right. This one has it has a bigger part of the egg yolk or the salted egg. So we'll try it. Yeah, it tastes strongly of the salted egg, which also has a not so very good aftertaste of the salted egg. So for those who are not used to eating salted egg, they will really find it very weird. So this ends my food review for the mooncakes that I have. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye!